Hey viewer! One important organ in the digestive system is the colon, also called the large intestine. Colon health is a significant part of digestive health. Some people claim the colon should be cleansed for optimal digestive wellness. However, research proving the effectiveness of cleanses is scant and low in quality. Still, certain aspects of colon cleansing may be beneficial. It may help issues such as constipation or irregular bowel movements, and there is some evidence that they can also reduce colon cancer risk. There are a few ways to colon cleanse naturally at home. 1. Water flush. Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated is a great way to regulate digestion. People who support a water flush for colon cleansing recommend drinking 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. Also try eating plenty of foods high in water content. This includes fruits and vegetables like watermelons, tomatoes, lettuce, and celery. 2. Saltwater flush. You can also try a saltwater flush. This is especially recommended for people experiencing constipation and irregularity. A 2010 study showed saltwater could possibly clear the colon when paired with certain yoga poses. Before eating in the morning, mix 2 teaspoons salt with lukewarm water. Sea salt or Himalayan salt is recommended. Drink water quickly on an empty stomach, and in a few minutes, you'll probably feel an urge to go to the bathroom. 3. Fiber-rich foods. Eating foods rich in fiber will help cleanse the colon of the harmful toxins. Fiber helps keep the stools soft and improve the bowel movement, which ultimately encourages the body to expel waste products. At the same time, fiber-rich foods will also help get rid of any kind of intestinal problem. You can add a lot of fiber into your diet by eating fresh fruits like raspberries, pears and apples, as well as fresh vegetables like artichokes, peas and broccoli. Cereals, whole grains, nuts, beans and seeds also contain a good amount of fiber. 4. Probiotics. Adding probiotics to the diet is another way to cleanse the colon. This also boosts overall health in many other ways. You can get more probiotics by taking probiotic supplements. Also, eat lots of probiotic-rich foods, like yogurt, kimchi, pickles, and other fermented foods. Probiotics introduce good bacteria to the gut with the help of fiber and resistant starches. 5. Herbal teas. Trying some herbal teas may assist digestive health via the colon. Laxative herbs like psyllium, aloe vera, marshmallow root, and slippery elm may help with constipation. Make sure to talk to your doctor and follow directions closely before using these herbs. Also use them sparingly, otherwise, they can be harmful. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its detoxification abilities and acts as a laxative, hence it is regarded as an effective colon cleanser. The medicinal properties present in aloe vera gel will not only improve your colon health, but it will also treat other health problems like headaches, skin infections, diarrhea, gastric pain and constipation. 7. More resistant starches. Resistant starches are similar to fiber. They're also found in plant foods like potatoes, rice, legumes, green bananas, and grains. These promote a healthy colon by boosting gut microflora. A 2013 review on resistant starches also found they reduce colon cancer risk. There is a downside, though. Resistant starches are found in carbohydrates. Still, low-carb dieters can choose options that cause fewer blood sugar spikes. These include rice and waxy potatoes. 8. Juices and smoothies. Juices are popular colon cleansers. These include fruit and vegetable juice fasts and cleanses, like master cleanses. There isn't enough research on these for the colon, however. In fact, some research points out risks. Even so, moderate intake of juices and juicing can be good for you. Juice blends contain some fiber and nutrients that benefit digestion. They also hold water to help hydrate and keep up regularity. Popular juices in juice fasts and cleanses include apple juice, lemon juice, and vegetable juices. However, some dietitians may recommend smoothies over juices for colon and overall health. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share and Make sure to subscribe, Health Tutor, because more incredible content on the way.